Hi everybody, this is Angelique from the Appreciation Game. We wanted to show you how to register for the Appreciation Game app. This you can use on your phone or on your computer or your tablet. And once you are in the website, you need to actually sign up. So you sign up using a Google account. And when you have a Google account, it doesn't mean you need to have a Gmail. You can have a Gmail or you can have a non-Gmail Google account. So Google account gives you a lot of the benefits of what Google offers, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to sign up for a Gmail account. So imagine that you don't have a Gmail account, but you have, let's say, a Yahoo account like I have here. You click on use another account, then you click on create account. You then click on use my current email address instead. You put in the non-Gmail account, and then you put in the password for that account. Then you click on next. You will see then that you have created a Google account with a non-Gmail address. And then what will happen is you will see what's going on here. I did this yesterday with Appreciation Game at yahoo.com. I created a Google account with the Yahoo email address. And so now when I click it, I immediately get in the app. So I'm in the app right now. If I sign out and I sign in with my Gmail account, because my Gmail is already linked to Google, I immediately am in. You will probably have to put in the password of your Gmail account to get in the first time. Otherwise, you'll be inside and you can start appreciating 3 times a day or more times a day. So you can see here, if I add it, I'm just gonna type something. I add it. You can see that's now here as well. Yeah. So we will be looking forward to all the feedback on the app and how you're using it. Lots of love. Bye-bye.